Welcome to our roundup of the best pour-over coffee makers. The top devices that help you brew rich, nuanced, and delicious coffee one cup at a time. Pour-over brewing is beloved by coffee lovers for its clarity of flavor, full control over extraction, and elegant simplicity. Whether you're upgrading your morning routine, exploring specialty coffee at home, or simply want a cleaner, brighter cup, we've handpicked options that deliver great results across budgets and styles. We'll break down each coffee maker's key features like material quality, capacity, ease of use, compatibility with filters, and cleanup so you can find the perfect pour-over setup for your tastes. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest prices and deals. Let's dive in and find the ideal pour-over coffee maker for you. Starting off our list is the Unbreakable pour-over coffee maker. A smart choice for anyone who wants a sturdy, everyday brewer without worrying about glass fragility. As the name suggests, this model is typically made from durable, shatter-resistant materials like high-grade plastic or durable stainless steel, offering peace of mind in kitchens where accidental knocks can happen, like busy mornings, dorm rooms, or outdoors. One of the standout features of the Unbreakable pour-over coffee maker is how easy it is to use. Simply place a paper or reusable filter in the top cone, add your medium-coarse coffee grounds, and slowly pour hot water in a circular motion. The durable body means you can pour directly into a mug or a travel carafe without worrying about breaking a glass cone. Many users appreciate how this model balances convenience and performance, giving you a clean, flavorful cup without complicated steps or fragile parts. While not as visually striking as glass-only models, its resilience and everyday practicality make the Unbreakable pour-over coffee maker a great budget-friendly pick for anyone who wants consistent pour-over coffee without maintenance worries. Next on our list is the Lalord pour-over coffee maker, a brewer that blends elegant design with reliable performance. The Lalord model typically features a smooth ceramic or glass cone paired with a generously sized carafe, helping ensure consistent extraction and a clean taste profile. Ceramic and glass are excellent at retaining heat during brewing. This helps the water stay hot long enough to fully extract those rich coffee oils and subtle notes that make pour-over brewing special. Users often praise its easy-to-use form factor and how the cone shape promotes even saturation of grounds, which means better extraction and a smoother cup. The Lalord pour-over coffee maker often pairs beautifully with standard number 2 or number 4 paper filters, and the handle on the carafe lets you pour comfortably without burning your hands. A minor consideration is that ceramic and glass do require a bit of careful handling, but for many coffee lovers, the combination of visual appeal and balanced flavor makes this a top contender in its class. If you want a pour-over coffee maker with classic aesthetics and reliable performance, the Lalord pour-over coffee maker delivers both. Is the Mongdio 27 ounces pour-over coffee maker, a slightly larger brewer that's perfect for those who want more than a single cup without going to a full automatic machine. With around 27 ounces of capacity, this model is ideal for brewing 2 smaller cups or 1 large pour-over mug. Great for couples, shared mornings, or anyone who likes to make a bit more coffee without repeating the process. This coffee maker usually pairs a well-designed cone with a matching carafe and is compatible with standard filters, ensuring you get consistent results every time. The Mongdio brewer's dimensions and capacity strike a nice balance between personal single-cup brewing and larger servings, and many users appreciate how easy it is to clean and maintain. While it's bigger than single-serve cones, it doesn't take up much more space on your counter or in storage. If you want flexibility in serving size without complexity, the Mongdio 27 ounces pour-over coffee maker hits that sweet spot between personal and shared coffee brewing. The COSORI pour-over coffee maker delivers excellent performance with thoughtful design for pour-over fans who want precision and convenience. COSORI is known for kitchen products that combine ease of use with reliable results, and this pour-over model continues that tradition with a well-balanced brewing profile. One of this coffee maker's strengths is its attention to brewing control. The cone geometry and hole placement are designed to encourage even water distribution over the coffee grounds, which helps extract flavor efficiently and produce a clean, bright cup. The COSORI pour-over set often includes a well-sized carafe and ergonomic handle for comfortable pouring, and it's typically compatible with a range of number 2 filters, giving you flexibility in choosing papers that match your preferred taste profile. Users appreciate how intuitive and approachable this brewer feels, whether you're new to pour-over brewing or you've been exploring coffee extraction for years. Finally, taking the top spot on our list is the Bodum 34 ounces pour-over coffee maker, a beloved choice among pour-over enthusiasts for its timeless design, balanced performance, and reliable results. Bodum is a well-established name in coffee gear, known for delivering quality brewers that stand the test of time, and this pour-over model is no exception. With a 34-ounce capacity, this brewer is perfect for larger servings, whether that's 2 generous cups or a full carafe to share with guests or family. The Bodum design typically features a well-shaped cone and a fine mesh filter or paper filter compatibility that combines the clarity of pour-over brewing with the ease of use that beginners appreciate. Many users love how balanced and clean the coffee tastes, with bright acidity and rich flavor notes that highlight the bean's natural characteristics. When choosing a pour-over coffee maker, think about how much coffee you drink at once, how much control you want over your brews, and how much space you have in your kitchen. Smaller single-serve models shine for personal brewing or travel fridge setups, while larger capacity brewers like the Mongdio and Bodum options make sharing or multiple cups easier. Material choice, whether durable plastic, elegant ceramic, or heat-retaining glass, also affects heat retention and aesthetics, so pick what matches your coffee style and daily routine. And that wraps up our roundup of the best pour-over coffee makers this year. From the everyday-friendly Unbreakable pour-over coffee maker to the elegant Lalord pour-over coffee maker, the generously sized Mongdio 27 ounces pour-over coffee maker, the precision-focused COSORI pour-over coffee maker, to our top choice, the Bodum 34 ounces pour-over coffee maker. There's a pour-over brewer here for every taste, kitchen size, and coffee ritual. Which pour-over coffee maker will help you brew your best cup yet? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest reviews. And be sure to check the description box for current deals so you can grab the perfect pour-over coffee maker for your home today. Thanks for watching.